Make a great choice today with the 2020 Transit 250. The Transit 250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, stability control, remote keyless entry, tires front all season, tires rear all season, rear wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.